Hi there, welcome back again. Thank you so much for continuing on this course. So in this session we are going to add or integrate the products from AliExpress into our store. To do that, there should be the apps. Go to your store and click apps, applications. Here you can find the application that's doing the integration. These are all the applications, but for the time being we are looking for only one application. I will explain to you later what type of application are necessary you have. So the application is called Oberlo. You have to search on the Oberlo, and here these are all the drop shipping applications. The most famous one is Oberlo dropshipping app, and the review of the 4.3, and click we need to add this into our store. If you drag it down, see find products to sale, find AliExpress dropshipping product to sale. All these details you can find there. Excellent. Then pricing, they have two types of it's free, and if your store making more than specific type of products, you can go for the paid plan. But for the time being, let's select and add the free plan. When you click add, it's perfect. Here showing you are about to install the Oberlo. We are gonna install, and from down here install the app. Perfect. So here you have option contact Oberlo with Shopify. It means we are going to link the Oberlo into our Shopify. We don't have the account yet. We have to create accounts, and type the same email we have used before, training 1222@gmail.com. Yes, training@gmail.com. Perfect. Then password, I think yes, we have to type the password. Yes, perfect. And then create, save it. It's up to you. I can save it. Perfect. Here the dashboard of Oberlo app. Build your business with Oberlo. It means you can learn. They have videos. You can watch these free videos how to integrate your products from Oberlo to Shopify store. And these are the steps that create and or connect your Shopify store, then add your first products, and after that you can find a product to sale, and then go ahead. This is the YouTube video. They have the description video. If you click find product to sale, here all this is the AliExpress website or AliExpress e-commerce platform. Here we have options, many types of the products options. I think we have to stop here, and in the next session we are gonna add the products in our Oberlo application, and from there later on we will doing the integration into our store. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.